This is the introduction and setup section, and in this section, you will build your first AI app using Next.js 16. Before we start, make sure you have installed Node.js. So, to check that, you just need to open command prompt or a terminal on your system. So, I'm on Windows, I will open the command prompt. And then you need to type the command node-v. And if you are on other operating systems such as Linux or Apple, you can specify the same command to check the Node.js version and then hit enter. And as you can see, the Node.js version is a 24.11.1. And make sure your Node.js version should be a number higher than 20.9 for the Next.js 16. If you've not installed the Node.js, just go to the website, and this website name is nodejs.org, and just go to the download page. Okay, when you visit this website, you will see the page like this, and then go to this download section, and after that scroll down, choose your operating system. By default, this website automatically detects your operating system. As you can see, it is the Windows. But when you click on this, you can see the operating system macOS, Linux, and then choose your operating system and then download the installer file. After downloading, then come back to your terminal and again run this command node v, and it will show the Node.js version. Now it's time to create our first AI app using Next.js 16. So go to the location wherever you want to create your first app. So I want to create the app at my desktop. So what I will do here, I will just go to the command prompt and move to the desktop. Okay. And then here I will run the command which will automatically set up the Next.js project. And for that, let's go to the Next.js documentation. So here you can see at a Next.js documentation, it shows to create a new Next.js project, you need to run this command npx create next app at latest. So copy this command and come back to the terminal, and here terminal paste that command and then hit enter. Now specify yes, and then it is going to ask a few questions. Here it is asking what is the name of the project. So here I will specify name of the project my AI chat and then hit enter. Now you need to use your arrow up and down to select the options. So here I'm going with the default option, which is yes, use recommended defaults and hit enter. By the way, if you don't know about this option, just go with this, just do what I say and you will understand later. Okay. Now wait for the installation to finish. Now project is created successfully. Let's open this project in Visual Studio Code. So as you can see on the desktop here, this is the newly created project. Now let's open the Visual Studio Code, and what I will do here, I will just drag and drop this project into VS Code, and this will automatically open the project. Now here you can see this is the name of our project, My AI Chat. So here is a few folders or a few files. Now, as you can see, this is your My AI Chat project, and under this project, you can see a bunch of files and folder. And here, I don't want you to introduce all of these files and folders because I think at this time, this is unnecessary to explain. So here, you need to focus on this app folder. You will write all your code or all your component code here under this app folder. Okay. Now here you see one more folder package.json, and here I want to introduce you dependencies, and this is the section. If you install, let's say, another dependency like a Zod, that dependency will appear here. And here we have the section dev dependencies, and this dependencies is only used while developing this application. In production, this dependency will not be used, and here you will write your scripts. And now you can see this is the name of the project and this is the version of the project. So I think this is the necessary for you because as a beginner, you know nothing about Next.js. But don't worry, as we move and complete a different concept of Next.js, you will also learn about all of these things. So here I want to introduce one more folder, which is the public folder. And this folder is used to store all your assets such as fonts, images, and the media that you use on your project, that you use on your website. Okay, all of those assets will go under this public folder. And I think this is enough for you now. So, here, if you want to run this application, you just need to open a terminal. So in your terminal, you need to type npm run dev. And after this, specify double hyphen and specify turbo flag. So what here turbo flag means? This turbo flag enables a turbo pack for faster startup and updates. And now hit enter. And as you can see, it shows a URL, a local URL, localhost 3000. So you will copy this URL. Okay, after copying this URL, you will paste this URL in your browser. So open the browser, go back and open the browser, and in browser here paste that URL and then hit enter. Now you should see the default Next.js welcome page. So now you have created your first AI application project using Next.js, and now it's running. So here, why I'm saying this AI project, because we're building the AI project. So in the next section, we will build our chat UI interface and we will clean up some of the default code. Actually, we will learn about routing and layouts.